Splash in the bubble bath. Kitty laughs in foamy path. Baby shark is coming too. Bubble fun for me and you. Dip, pop, pop, pop. Splash, splash, splash. Let's wash Kitty every day. Kitty jumped into bath so bright. Bubbles glowing soft and light. Splash goes water, fun begins. Kitty spins and grins and spins. Pop, pop, pop. Splash, splash, splash. Bubble bath fun. Go, go, splash. Baby shark swims in fast. Big foam bubbles flying past. Kitty laughs. Slow down, please. I can't see through all of these. Pop, pop, pop. Splash, splash, splash. Bubble bath fun. Go, go, splash. Rub-a-dub soap all around. Bubbles bouncing on the ground. Baby shark goes splash, splash, splash. Kitty says, what a splashy crash. Pop, pop, pop. Splash, splash, splash. Bubble bath fun. Go, go, splash. Bubbles fly up in the air. Kitty tries to catch them there. Pop, pop, they burst away. Bubble bath is fun today. Pop, pop, pop. Splash, splash, splash. Bubble bath fun. Go, go, splash. Baby shark slows it down. No more foam all around. Kitty clean from head to toe. Bath time fun is ready to go. Splash, splash, bubble pop. Kitty bath will never stop. Baby shark and Kitty play. Bath time fun every day. Oh, saw jungle night. Wow. Moon is bright. Magic book starts glowing like cookies. Letters jump and run away. Tree Pretty starts the game today. Woo! Jungle calls coming through. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Mr. Ray, Mr. Ray, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding behind the alligator's tail. Hide away. End of the trail. Mr. B, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding behind the bear, so wide day. Got you, D, low place to hide. Mr. C, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding near crocodile splash pool. Got you, C, in one big dash. Hey! Mr. D, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding behind the deer so fast. Got you, D, found you at last. Mystery, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding near elephant ear so bent. Got you, we do a happy G. Mr. F, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding on a lily leaf. Got you, F, quick and brief. Mr. G, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding behind giraffe so tall. Got you, G, instead. Mr. T, Mr. T, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding underneath so wide. Got you, June, come outside. Mr. M, where are you? Here I am,
Oh no!
peekaboo. Swinging fast on jungle rope. Trap you and wild escape rope. Talking loud in jungle land. Jungle letters side by side. Petey searching every tree. Fun adventure, wild and free. Mr. Q, Mr. Q, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Running in the bush so small. Got you, Q, I saw it all. Onto our Mr. R, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Running in the jungle stone. But you're not alone. Slithering under leafy bed. Up you'll see your file 99. A to C, all found today. Jungle fun in every way. Hiding under leaves so wide.
Oh no!
Pet your June, tongue outside. Mystery, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Flying high above the sky. Taught you we don't fly by. Here to stop
Oh no, baby shark is sick today. Dr. Kitty's on the way. Check. What should we do? Dr. Kitty will help you. Meow, meow, don't you cry. Dr. Kitty standing by. Baby shark wakes up so slow. Tiny sneeze, achoo. Tummy hurts and head feels hot. Feeling happy, maybe not. Oh no, what's wrong today? Dr. Kitty's on the way. Check. Runs in fast, how with the doctor bag at last. Heartbeat check, boom, boom, boom. Kitty says you'll feel good soon.
1, 2, 3.
Check. 1, 2, 3. Dr. Kitty helps with me.
Try this
Baby shark says achoo, achoo. Ritty laughs, bless you too. Medicine taste, yucky yup. Baby shark says, oh no, yuck. Sip, drink it up. Soon you'll jump and splash and hop. Kitty puts ice on shark's head. Time for rest in your warm bed. Baby shark takes little nap, then wakes up and starts to clap. Yay, feeling great. Dr. Kitty saved Daddy. Baby shark jumps in the sea, happy as can be. Dancing, splashing all around. Happy Sharky makes this sound. Thank you, Kitty, thank you, meow. I feel so much better now. Oh no, sick no more. Baby shark swims like before. Hip hip hooray, 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 hooray. Oh no! Kitty woke up feeling weird, dear. Something's wrong, I'm a bit feared. She tries to jump but goes up. I don't feel well, I move too slow. She sneezes loud. Oh no, Kitty, what to do?
Sounds!
Friends all gather looking sad.
Boo!
Kitty feeling really bad.
What?
Tina runs in with Dr. Bag, wearing coat and little tag. Don't worry, Kitty, I'm here now. We will fix you, I know how.
Kitty, let's check your ears.
He checks her ears, he checks her nose. He looks at paws, he gently goes I see the problem clear. Too much candy, that's the fear. Kitty says, oops, I ate too much. Dino smiles, it happens much. Now drink juice and rest a while.
Thank you.
Soon you'll get your happy smile.
Kitty, you've come so far.
He gives a sticker, shiny star. Brave Kitty, you've come so far. He taps her head, says you're okay. Fever, go now, go away. Kitty slowly starts to grin. Dr. Dino, you helped me win. She jumps up, feels super fine. Now I feel completely shine.